Well, we woke up on this Monday morning with temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Dew point values were in the 50s, and as we take a look right now, we're still in the 40s and 50s at this hour. So it's still tolerable outside, even though there's plenty of sunshine helping to heat things up. Right now, your current readings are right around 85 here in Weslaco, 87 to 88 in the Upper Valley. Same goes for down the I-69 corridor, 87 from Raymondville down to Brownsville, and near 83 degrees this afternoon at the coast. We're going to continue to warm up to the low 90s. It is going to be above average for the first day of May. Zooming out and looking across the Lone Star State, it is a bit cooler well to our north in the Panhandle, near 65 degrees there, 76 in Dallas as well as Abilene, and then 79 the closer you get to San Antonio. We are definitely the hottest in the state right now. We have plenty of dry and stable air all behind this cold front that rolled through early Sunday morning. So just high pressure in place means hardly a cloud in the sky and nothing going on. Very, very quiet across Texas. But when we zoom out and we kind of go over toward the eastern seaboard, it's a different situation there. This advancing cold front will continue to make its way east as it does. That area high pressure over the Atlantic will continue to pump in a lot of warm air ahead of this, giving them some severe thunderstorm potential for today. The more the warm and moist air feeds in ahead of this front, the more unstable that the atmosphere gets. So when you look at the severe weather potential, a general thunderstorm category is across Florida, but the farther north you go, it turns into a marginal risk in Atlanta and portions of northeastern Georgia. Then as you go into the Carolinas, they bump it up a little bit more to a slight risk, and then up into the mid-Atlantic, you're looking at an enhanced risk all the way through Pennsylvania and portions of New York. So definitely some nasty weather there. Now, we will get another cold front. It'll arrive Wednesday night going into Thursday. So when you look at the severe weather potential for deep South Texas, it eventually gets here, but it's not until Wednesday. Look at this. This is day 3. So for the next couple of days, it looks like it's going to be relatively quiet. By day 3, however, we're looking at a marginal risk, which means that with any passing thunderstorm that does develop, it could have the potential to be strong out there. Gusty winds are the potential, as well as some small hail and heavy rain. So that's something that we'll continue to track as this event gets closer. But we are bumping up your rain chances to 60% Wednesday night. Other than that, just something spotty here and there over the next couple of days. So let's fast forward into Wednesday night. This is 7 o'clock. We could see maybe a spotty shower or two Wednesday afternoon going into Wednesday evening. However, it's Wednesday night that really picks up into early Thursday morning as this front gets closer. Here is that strong thunderstorm potential in the orange and yellow. Even the dark green highlights the areas that we could see some heavy rain potential as well. But once that front clears the valley behind that, we may have a few early morning showers. This is about 7 o'clock and mainly at the coast. But then after that, a lot of dry air is going to filter in, and it's going to be a beautiful setup behind that front. And remember, if there is any severe weather, we could send that right to the palm of your hand with our KRGV weather app. Just go into your app store and download it. It's completely free. Just search for KRGV weather. Here's how that front's going to impact your forecast. Ahead of it, we're warming up to the low 90s each afternoon. By night, upper 60s and mid 70s. Don't forget, there's showers and thunderstorms mainly Wednesday night going into Thursday, but I can't rule out something spotty on Tuesday, so just have your rain gear on standby. Now, Thursday and Friday, look at that beautiful weather. Right around 84 degrees is where we'll rebound to, with a lot less humid air on Thursday after a few morning showers. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're back to the mid to upper 80s. Your overnight lows primarily in the 60s and 70s. However, the coolest night is going to be Thursday night with 58 degrees in the forecast. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.